Introducing the Della 6000 BTU Window Air Conditioner, a versatile cooling solution designed to enhance comfort and convenience in any indoor space. With its blend of energy efficiency, smart design features, ultra-quiet operation, compact size, and easy installation, this air conditioner promises to deliver optimal cooling performance while maximizing user comfort and convenience. Whether seeking relief from the sweltering summer heat or maintaining a tranquil ambiance for restful sleep or productive work, this air conditioner offers a reliable and efficient cooling solution tailored to meet diverse cooling needs. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Energy efficiency. This air conditioner boasts remarkable energy efficiency, as evidenced by its energy efficiency ratio of 11.6. This high rating, coupled with its Energy Star certification, ensures optimal cooling performance while significantly reducing energy costs over time. Whether cooling a small room or a moderate-sized space, users can enjoy a comfortable environment without worrying about excessive energy consumption. Number 2. Smart design and remote control. Equipped with a user-friendly LED control panel and a convenient remote control, this air conditioner offers effortless operation. With a temperature setting range spanning from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, users have precise control over their indoor climate. The unit features various modes including auto, cool, fan, and dry, catering to diverse cooling needs. Additionally, the Della Plus app enables remote control functionality, allowing users to adjust settings from anywhere, anytime, enhancing convenience and flexibility. Number 3. Ultra-quiet operation. One of the standout features of this air conditioner is its ultra-quiet operation, emitting only 52 decibels at its lowest setting. This low noise level ensures minimal disruption, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or any space where quiet ambience is paramount. Users can enjoy a restful night's sleep or work undisturbed, thanks to the whisper-soft volume maintained by this unit. Number 4. Compact-sized and easy installation. With compact dimensions, this air conditioner fits seamlessly into standard windows with minimal clearance requirements. The adjustable side panels not only facilitate a snug fit, but also minimize air leaks, ensuring efficient cooling and energy savings. The inclusion of a full installation kit simplifies setup, allowing users to enjoy the benefits of their air conditioner with minimal hassle. Additionally, the washable and reusable air filter promotes clean and well-circulated air, contributing to improved indoor air quality. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 15.94 inches depth by 16.02 inches width by 12.05 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Della 6000 BTU Window Air Conditioner stands as a testament to innovation and practicality in home cooling technology. Its energy-efficient design, user-friendly features, whisper-soft operation, compact size, and hassle-free installation make it a standout choice for anyone seeking effective and convenient cooling solutions. With this air conditioner, achieving a comfortable indoor climate has never been easier. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.